Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesura Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This reading is from the mid-month of the June to the mid-month of the July. This is for the Libra sun, moon and rising sign. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please consider subscribing my channel. In this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and your future situation and clarify some cards for you and end the video pulling some advice for the Libra people. Okay. In the recent past, we have the Justice card. We have the Five of Wands, we have the Lovers. In the present, there is the Ace of Pentacles, there is the Seven of Cups, the Three of Pentacles. In the future, we have the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Swords, the Tower. The challenge for the week is the Three of Swords. Okay, the challenge has to do something with your recent breakup. The person, it could be related to your last relationship, something from your past relationship coming to pop up in this month. This is a challenge for the week is to overcome the situation, overcome from the breakage. Something broke your heart recently, many of you. You are still in the pain, many of you. The challenge for the week is come out of this pain. Whatever that is holding you back towards your past, the challenge for the week is actually work out the things and come out of the pain. We're going to clarify it in a moment. In the recent past, you got justice for something. Okay, there was some constant fight going on between you and an Aries or a Leo Sagittarius. You wanted, this could be related to your relationship. You might had some relationship with someone, like a stable relationship. This could be you fighting with your partner. In the recent past, there was some justice, there was some right thing got to your fight, there was some fairness happened with you and your partner in the recent past. We're going to clarify it. In the present moment, there's the Ace of Pentacles, there's the Seven of Cups, there's a Three of Pentacles. Okay, in the present moment, many of you are getting an opportunity in order to come out of this being confused state. You're finally, I see you guys are working out to come out of that confused situation in the present moment. We're going to clarify about what are you working. It could be related to the past situation also. In the future, I see someone offering you love, connection, emotional connection in the future. You want to come out of being stuck state. Okay, there's a chances of this person breaking your heart. This could be related to something which broke your heart. This could be related to challenge. Okay, I feel this person who broke your heart, there's a chances of this person could be again coming in the future offering you something. We're going to clarify the challenge for the week. From the mid-month of the June till the mid-month of the July. Oh, there's the Four of Swords which just popped up. Oh God, okay. The challenge for the week is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles. The challenge itself, the Three of Swords, the Four of Pentacles. Someone was constantly ignoring you in the recent past or in the present moment, who broke your heart. Okay, you have been you're still waiting for this person to come back into your life. The challenge for the week is something to deal with which broke your heart recently, who actually neglected you when you offered them something. There's a chance that this person could be coming back, or there's a chances that you might get an offer from this person. Okay, So in order to heal, what and all you need to do in order to come out of that painful situation, you have to take precautions. Okay, though you have been waiting for this opportunity, for this moment, so there's a chances this moment is going to come with this person, so be ready to take the action you have to. Okay, in the recent past, I'm going to clarify the justice. There was something happened, there was decision made between you and your partner regarding a fight. There was some fight happened between you and your partner in the recent past. You got some justice. I'm going to clarify the justice. The justice is clarified by the Magician, the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords. There was something happening in your relationship which wasn't fair. It's like you giving too much, or it's like your partner giving too much, and one just being enjoying, just being the same. You expected something from your partner which wasn't happening. In the recent past, you did some action towards what you want, and you got some decision, like result from it, from your action. You finally came out of some pain. Okay, though the situation ended up with lot of pain, you got to know some clarification about the situation. I'm going to clarify the Lovers, what is all about, what was all about the Lovers, the status of the Lovers in the recent past after getting the justice. The Lovers is clarified by the Devil, the Chariot card, the Nine of Cups. Many of it could be you or your partner felt not happy with this relationship in the recent past, and this person moved on from you. It could be you or your person moved on from this connection in order to find happiness in their life. This person moved on in order to find the satisfaction, self-satisfaction, happiness in their life, because they found there is something in this relationship which is not leaving them to be happy. Okay, this could be you took an action towards that unfairness, or your partner just ended up being in painful. Okay, in the present situation, I'm going to clarify the Ace of Pentacles. For many of you, there's a chances of new opportunity, new love, or new opportunity to start in order to come out of that confusion state coming your way in the present situation. I'm going to clarify the Ace of Pentacles. This could be a new love opportunity or new career opportunity for some of you. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles is clarified by the Eight of Swords, the Eight of Cups, the High Priestess. Okay, many of you are coming out of being silent stage. You're getting an opportunity in order to come out of that restricted position, to come out of that emotionally dragging position. You're finally coming out of being silent. You're expressing something. You're finally getting things cleared in the present situation. You're getting an opportunity. Many of you, it could be going away from an emotional connection with someone and moving towards something where you find there is comfort, there is positivity. Okay, I'm going to clarify the Seven of Cups. Many of you are feeling confused in the present moment. It could be you or your partner feeling trapped in the moment or feeling confused in the present moment. Okay. The Seven of Cups is clarified by the Five of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Swords. Okay, this is something related to air sign. It could be Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. You're being confused in the present situation about someone who lost in the recent past. Someone whom you lost, you ended up being so sad. You ended up being sad. You ended up being feeling fearful, in anxiety. You ended up being not getting proper sleep without that person in your life. Though that person was so controlling, so powerful, but still you're feeling confused. What should I have to do with this person? Everything is like with the same thing. Where's the child? Everything is kind of related to something which broke your heart. Everything is like finding clarity with something which broke your heart recently. That's a challenge for the week. I see in the present moment you're working through things in order to get that clarity, in order to come out of that cloudiness. You're working through out something with some people or with someone or within. I don't feel within, you're working with someone. Page of Wands. The Three of Pentacles is clarified by Page of Wands, the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles. So many of you could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. I think in the present moment, this person is come rushing into your life, giving you an opportunity in order to get clarity with what you are thinking. This person will help you to come out of your confused situation. I see finally you being happy that you got to know something about the situation. Okay, I see this person rushing in the present moment, who will actually help you through work through things, who will actually, you will actually come out of that restrict situation, that confused mind. You will come out of that in the present situation. In the future, I see someone is offering you something. I mean, for many of you, someone will be coming your way in the future, offering you love, emotional connection. We're going to clarify the Knight of Cups. The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Five of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Page of Cups. Okay. For many of you in the future, there will be chances of your ex coming back into your life because they want to work things out between you and them. They want emotional connection with you again. Very clear reading. There's nothing to clarify here. Okay. Possibly your ex coming your way in the future. Eight of Swords. This will help you to come out of that stuck mind situation. I got Eight of Swords two times. I feel this time, this phase is finally letting you to come out of that confused situation. Oh, okay. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Four of Wands, by the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Cups. Boom. Finally, you're getting in committed relationship with this person. Okay. You will come out. This person is coming very slowly into your life. This person will actually end up being a very soul connection with you. Very clear reading. Okay, there's a chances that this person whom you were in relationship in the past, who is coming into way in the present. I see there is a breakthrough. There's a huge breakthrough going on in the future. I'm going to clarify the Tower card. Though I feel this is related to someone whom you are emotionally connected. It could be in the present or it could be in the past. You were emotionally connected with this person. That is something leading you a lot of trouble in the future. The Tower is clarified by the Ace of Swords, the Strength, the Seven of Wands. The challenge for the week, you remember, coming out of that breakthrough. So there's a chances this person who made you into this Tower moment in the recent past, they're coming your way in the future, and they're giving some clarity between the situation, what and all happened in the past. You're finally getting to know and you're feeling okay. You got to know, you got the clarity about this person. I see many of you are actually restricting this person. Though this person is offering you love, stability, they're offering you constant love, everything, but I don't see you are accepting this person in the future because they gave you a lot of pain. So you are not ready. That's the challenge is all about, this heartbroken person coming your way. I feel you are actually not accepting their offer. You are just pushing them off. Okay, very clear situation for Libra. Okay, we are going to pull some advice for Libra people. Advice for the phase. The advice for you guys is nothing is yet set in stone. So there is nothing, it's like not gonna change in your life. Everything is like, it's like a wheel of fortune, right? Upside comes, once there will be this position, once we'll go to that position. Nothing is for constant in this world. So one day it was your partner's time, this is now your time, Libra. So nothing is going to be constant, there's a changes going on. So finally you are getting an opportunity to show your partner that you too have an option to reject, like how they used to be. Finally you're getting an opportunity to prove yourself this phase. That is all I have for the Libra people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.